Hey YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your girl blakcajun, and today we're gonna do a simple chip bag. Using a template that I got from a craft group that I'm in, but you can also find it on Google. Where did I find it at? Uh, let's see if I can find one. You can find them on Google. Here's one, and it already has some nutritional facts on it. Uh, Wait a minute, boo. Wait a minute. Uh, you okay, Mama? Okay. I'm not gonna stay too long searching for it. If you are on, wait a minute, JoJo. If you're on Facebook, you should be able to find it at any craft group. I got mine from, I believe, Black Girls Craft. Jacosta. Hey, 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 hey. Are we screaming? No, we're not. We're not gonna scream. We're big girl. We're a big girl. Okay, so if you want to make it yourself, because you don't need a template, you need three. Cut it out. 3 text box. The middle one, the size is, the height for all 3 of them is 6.44, and the width for the middle one is 5.45, and the stop, girl. The size for the width for the sides is 2.52. So you can just create text boxes and then put them, together and group them together. I'll do another tutorial on how to make a template. So basically what I want to do is get a picture I'm going to use this picture I got from Google. Yes, I'm using a Google image. I'm not selling it. Hey, hey, hey. What do you want? Gummy. Gummy? Where you see gummies at? This? No, this is not good. This is empty. You ate it all. I'm sorry, y'all. If you're new to my channel, I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I always have my toddler with me. And it is nighttime, and she is ready to... Can you go wash me a strawberry? Can you go and wash me a strawberry? You don't want to? Okay. So I'm just going to right-click and paste the background. And I'm sorry, y'all. It is kind of... She can get... can get a little loud. No, ma'am. Here. Is that what you want? Here's your JoJo bows. Really? That's how you feel? Okay. So, back to the tutorial. I'm going to try to do it, finish... I'm sorry about that. She's a little cranky. Okay, so we're just gonna keep sizing it. And that's how I want my background for this particular one. I'm just doing a simple rush job just to celebrate my nephew's graduation. Normally I'll have a different something on the sides than I have in the middle, but this will suffice. He doesn't want too much. He just wanted a simple, elegant design. So I'm going to do this picture. Let's see what else. I need one in his cap and gown. This one. So we got the cap and gown. We got his graduation tee. What else did he take pictures in? We need one in his Letterman jacket. I'll go with this one. Okay, let those load into the system. And we're going to rotate these bad boys 90 degrees. Can I rotate? Oh, there you go. Okay, so we're going to bring it forward. We're going to bring all of them forward. Okay. So I'm going to enlarge it. Yes, that's fruit juice.
Oh, man.
And I'm pretty sure you can notice his graduation t-shirt that I created for him. I'll do a tutorial on how to add these pictures inside of the numbers or letters. Don't have to be numbers, it can be letters or shapes inside, different shapes. So I'm going to add a picture frame around it. And then I'm going to bring it down. I want this one to a 2.03 to 3.14. Okay. This one I'm going to do the same thing. Wait a minute, Jig. I'm going to pretty much do the same thing. This tutorial is going to be pretty quick because she is kind of in rare form. So I'm going to be putting her to sleep.
Mommy,
Go down there.
no.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to let you go. Okay. And then this one I wanted the same size as the other one. 2.03 by 3.14. And these two are going to be the side pictures. And his graduation, him in his cap and gown will be in the middle. And I'm just doing something basic. He does not want us fussing over him. And I'm so proud of him. I really am proud of him. He started school off rocky, sick. So he ended up starting school years later than he was supposed to. And he would come home frustrated. I'm not going back. They teasing me. They say I can't read. They say this. They say that. Well, he couldn't hold his pencils from his illness. He couldn't. It was a lot of things he could not do because of his illness. And he would get teased a lot in school. Oh, he's dumb. He's this. He's that. Well, he just graduated high school last week with honors. Basically, this is his chip bag. I'm going to print them out like this. And what you're going to do, what you're not going to do is, wait a minute, baby. Jig, look at this picture. And look at it and think about what you see in this picture. And don't say anything until I tell you to, okay? Don't say anything. So basically what you're going to do is print this picture out. I print on, if I'm using a laser printer, or I'm going to print it on my inkjet. And I'm just going to use like regular gloss paper. Or regular paper. You can even use regular paper if you don't want to use a specialty paper. But if you're going to sell it, use a specialty, kind of a thicker gloss paper or thick matte paper, and use it in, just give it a professional look to it. And what I'm going to do is use glue dots or glue gun to seal the side. You take these sides, that's going to be the back. This will be the center of your chip bag. This side and this side will be your back. They'll overlap a little bit. You hold them together with glue dots or glue stick, and you do the bottom as well. Once you get the back together, you're going to seal the very bottom. What you're not going to do is open the individual bags of chips. No. Once you get the back sealed and that bottom sealed, you're going to take the bag of chips and you're going to carefully place it inside of that chip bag. And then once it's in there, you're going to use glue sticks or glue dots to seal off the top. Once it's sealed, you can use a crimper to crimp the top and bottom to make it look like... Here I come, sweetie. I'm coming. To make it look like a regular bag of potato chips. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, but I really have to cut it short because my little diva is restless and I am about to go put her to bed and finish crafting for this party tomorrow. Peace and blessings. Until next time, see you later.